Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Google Sheet and confirming headers match your placeholders. Once done, draft the exact email text in Gmail or Docs and insert placeholders like first name where personalized content belongs. Next, install and authorize the recommended Mail Merge add-on so it can access Sheets in Gmail. This authorization is required to send on your behalf. You want field names identical, no extra spaces, and a sample row to test. Doing this prevents mapping errors later. You now open the add-on pane and choose your source sheet and draft template. Carefully map each sheet header to the corresponding placeholder. Mismatches cause blank fields and messages. Then configure send settings, from name, reply to address, subject line, and whether to run in test mode for a single row. Once mapped, use a filter or a send checkbox column to limit recipients. This prevents accidental mass sends. After mapping, preview one personalized message to verify formatting and links. You should always send a small test batch first and inspect both the recipient view and your sent folder for formatting, link, and placeholder issues. Once satisfied, send the full batch, but make sure you know Gmail daily sending limits. Exceeding them pauses delivery. If messages fail, open the add-on error log to identify missing fields or authorization problems. Then fix the sheet or template and rerun only the failed rows using the log. This saves time and prevents duplicate sends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.